They are leaving.
We are so ready to go home.
Poor little.
Laying snuggled up on my belly or daddy crying.
Sharon, listen to me. Whatever role you're playing here today, it's on my terms, my time. Continue doing what you're doing. I'll speak to you soon.
So you're excited to go home?
I'm so excited to go home.
I am too.
Ready to take a nap again though.
I'm gonna take a nap in our own bed.
In our own bed.
Oh, yeah. And Mama getting ready to go with baby.
There you
That
go.
works. Thanks.
You're welcome.
All right. I think we are
I
ready.
think we've got it all.
It
we
is
go.
time to go.
Bye everybody. Thank you for being so good.
Oh, we'll stop by.